Okay, so in this video, I just want to show you how to, you know, to use the calendar to set up the dates of the lessons. Yeah, that here you have these dates. So it's pretty easy how you do it. So, um, for example, this class, let's go for one class here. If you go to this class and you go syllabus, here you see the syllabus. Yeah, you can also go so Tuesday and Thursday, and you can also go to the calendar, and here you say Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday. I like to have two windows open, so one with the calendar and here with the lesson, so I can easily compare that everything is correct. So look, January 6th here, January 8th here, January 13th here, and if I need to make any change, I can just go here and edit the name. Yeah, and I can change the date, and within that way later it helped me to if I want to go here, I can set up the quizzes or the things that I need to do for January 6th. That it is pretty easy. Okay, so this is how I generally you can do it. You can also use that to correct the syllabus. Yeah, January 6th, 8th, 13, and check exactly when is the reading week, the test, all those things. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now I'm going to show you two exceptions of this. Yeah, that could also happen, so that you don't get stressed. So I think this is pretty clear. One thing I'm going to show you two examples. One that is in the lab. Yeah, so sometimes it could happen that they don't have the calendar is not there. They are not showing you exactly when is the assignment, and sometimes they can have you. And if you see section 1 and section 2, yeah, and so look, definitely is in section 1 they is actually there. Section 2 is not yet determined. Yeah, so how do you make sure of that? Go to the syllabus again, and here they said that one of them will be assessed, and you go to the other section, and they can tell you here that it's from 1 to 3:45. So, taking that into consideration, you can again go to the lab, and now in the lessons, you can start having the dates here in the correct way. Yeah. So again, you can go here. Sorry for explaining it in so much detail. So I went here and I copy and pasted the genetics. Yeah, now I have it here. Now I can go to the calendar, and now I know that the calendar that they want to show me should be section 1. So it should be here. So if you see the first lab should be Thursday, January 8th here, and this is perfect. The second one, it will be 15, and here is January 9. So how we change it? Pretty easy. Edit name, and here January 15, and everything is perfect there to change. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a third exception. So first one, when everything is working, yeah, all the dates are very clear. You can check the syllabus, compare information there, checking in the calendar. The other thing is when there is two, there could be two sections, yeah, and one of them doesn't have the dates. And another case is when there is no dates yet determined by the university, yeah. So it could be, for example, this one that is in the spring. So if you go to the syllabus, they still don't have any information, and you can say, okay, maybe, yeah, mm, there is no. You can check here, but there is no information. Yeah, in calendar, you can check calendar. and it's supposed to be, they are supposed to start in May. So there is no information. Yeah. So we already check. We check here. Same thing. We go to calendar. Uh, they start in May. Look, there is nothing. So what you can do is go to a previous syllabus. You can ask me, or you can look at sometimes there, or in this case it's on Moodle, and you see that it's Tuesday and Thursday from 6 to 8:30 p.m. So you can set the dates here. Start this Tuesday, then Thursday, and you will have to do it manually in this case because it is not already determined. But just ask me, and this is how we do. I can ask registration, and they can do it. Okay, so sorry for the delay. In this video, I show you how to set up the dates for the lessons. So to check the correct date, so look, Thursday, Tuesday, perfect. So we just need to check it if it's there for the correct year. So how you do it? Here you can have the calendar, and look here. It should be should be May, so it should be or 5 or 7 or 12 and 14. And here we need to just modify it one day, and it will be pretty easy. Okay. If you have any question, let me know. Have a good day. Sorry for that I made this video solo. Bye.